Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So today I wanted to get on and talk about, what do we do post breakup when we've made them our entire world, right? We've made them our best friend, or, through the course of the relationship, they've become our best friend, our lover, our co-parent, maybe our spiritual advisor, our partner in household things. Like, just in so many ways, we have put all of our eggs in this basket, right? And so when things go south, we're left holding an empty basket, and it can feel really, really empty overall in our life. Our life can feel very empty as a result of this. And so I really want to emphasize the importance of finding yourself again, right? There was a person that existed before this relationship, and that person was interested in things, had passions, had, hopefully, and maybe you didn't have a chance to develop those things. Maybe you were really young or whatever, maybe just circumstances of life didn't allow for that. So take the time now. Find out who you are. Find out what you like. Find out what you're passionate about. Find out what your interests are. And then go out and meet people that do those things or that are interested in those same things, and build some connections, build some community around you. And recognize that when we put all of our eggs in one basket, we can be left holding an empty basket. And so it's really important that we diversify, not just in, financial circles or whatever, like maybe you've heard that before when it comes to your investments, but really, you want to have a diverse group of people or community around you that fills different parts of you, right? So that you're not depending on any one person to fulfill all of those needs in you. And then if for some reason that person is no longer in your life, you're left feeling like an empty vessel, right? So we want to, when we meet new people, we want to be a full person, so that we're not just this empty vessel waiting for someone else to impart their wisdom or knowledge into, and that we're going to just be there available for them to make into whomever they want to be with, right? So, having a partner should enrich your already full life, and you should be sort of whole people coming together and creating even more healthy wholeness, and encouraging each other to be whole and complete. And so it's really important, even if the relationship wasn't toxic, that if you find yourself just feeling really empty and you feel like you've lost everything, like when you think about losing this person, you're thinking that I lost my lover, I lost my best friend, I lost, the person I was sharing this journey with, and my dreams and goals for the future. And because, that's a lot. That's a lot to put on a relationship and on one person and on this unity and all of that. It's a lot of pressure. And so I think that a lot of times relationships crumble under that pressure, right? So it's important that we sort of spread it around, right? There's going to be certain people in your life that kind of feed your soul in certain ways, and there's going to be certain activities and things that you're into that feed you and you alone, and make you feel good and help your growth and help your dreams, so that you're a separate being that is just hopefully you're just uplifting each other when you come together with someone who's hopefully in that same place, right? And you're more likely to meet someone who's in that same headspace, or at least, you're more likely to recognize that person if you're on that journey yourself, to knowing yourself and to really just affirming who you are. So I think the the important thing to keep in mind when you're trying to recover from a relationship breakup is that you are a whole person, and maybe you just lost touch, maybe you weren't really connected to that part of yourself, but to take that time now to just really figure out who you are and what you want out of life, so that the next time that maybe you want to embark on a romantic relationship with someone, you're coming at it from a different place, right? And I think it can take a little less of a little less it can take some of the pressure off of it, is what I'm trying to say. So I hope this makes sense. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. What do you think about this? Does any of it resonate with you? Please feel free to comment below. All right? I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.